Don't like crowds? Couldn't get away? No worries, mate. We scour every booth to find the latest cool stuff for you. Here's what I found at the boat show. We're at the Miami Boat Show with Mike from SmartPlug. He's got the first truly innovative plug-in system since 1938. And it looks like a happy face. Mike, tell me about it.
So this system was designed in 2008. And we wanted to make sure that we kept the same footprint so it was easy to retrofit for people that wanted to upgrade their shore power system. The first parameter we had was to make it easy to retrofit. So we actually have the same exact hole print as you'll find on most other twist lock systems out there. After that, we made it a completely different type of plug. We made it easy to use. So that means it's an asymmetrical design. So it only goes in one way. You can plug it in the dark. You don't have to fumble looking for that ground pin anymore. That allowed us to do several things. First of all, the pins are bigger. We have about 20 times greater contact. That means the transfer of power from the pins to the clips is much more efficient, so you don't get the heat buildup like you do with the old twist lock system. Secondly, these pins actually are self-cleaning, so every time you plug in, you know you have a clean contact, so there's no type of corrosion interfering with the power transfer. After that, we actually sleeve the unit, and what that means is, in the marine environment, you get a lot of tide, wind, tripping, kicking, put onto the pins and the clips. All that stress is absorbed into the body and taken off the pins. It makes a very stable electrical connection. Next, we got rid of that twist lock ring that sometimes can misthread or crack on the twist lock system, and instead we used a system much like a cordless battery drill. So as soon as you plug it in, it locks. In addition to that, we actually added 2 more locks on top. This being a cam lock, helping draw the plug into the inlet, and then a lock back here. So it's very easy to use, but a very robust system.
That's cool.
This is a completely weatherproof seal here, and so is this. This isn't actually heat shrink. It's just a seal that comes in the kit, and it can bend 180 degrees without any water intrusion. Furthermore, because we see so many failures in the 30 amp system as it stands today, we actually incorporated a thermostat in the back of the inlet. What that thermostat does is it turns the power off at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is right where the wire insulation starts to soften and melt, but then it will reset at 130 degrees so that the power can come back on, keep your batteries charged, keep the bilge pump running, and other critical systems that need to use DC power. This system as it stands now is currently available. You can either buy it as a combo kit or as individual units, depending on if you have 2 inlets or 2 cords, whatever configuration you need. This April, we're actually going to be coming out with a 50-foot and 25-foot cord set with the SmartPlug on the boat side, but then a twist lock on the dock side. So you can protect your boat, but you can plug into any marina anywhere. Our molded cords will also be all tinned wire, come in 50 and 25-foot lengths, and then this summer we'll have the same set of products in 50 amp. The only difference will be the pin configuration. And that's the SmartPlug.
So now you see why this little guy's smiling. First new innovation since 1938. You want more information, go to smartplug.com.